Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Christmas Decoration. The Christmas pillow is made of high-quality short staple fabric, comfortable and breathable, soft and delicate. The pattern is made with strict printing technology and exquisite craftsmanship. These 4 pillows have different styles, which can better create a family Christmas atmosphere, and can also be used as home decorations after the holidays. This Christmas-themed pillow is very suitable for decorating houses during Christmas. The combination contains 4 pillowcases with different patterns. At number 6 we have Jotme Decoration. This 6.5 feet wide Christmas blow-up giving manger decor inflatable comes with an extended cord ground stakes. The bright is built-in LED lights. It's light up in the evening for the best attraction to neighbors and guests. It is very easy and safe for kids to help decorate. Plug it in, everything pops up in a minute. It is perfect for white Christmas outdoor yard garden decorations, blow-up decorations. It is ideal for Christmas event decoration, holiday blow-ups and Christmas night event. At number 5 we have Alpine Decoration. You can upgrade your holiday decor with Alpine Corporation's 24 inches tall rattan grazing reindeer with halogen lights. This reindeer features a robust iron frame dedicated to keeping it standing upright. That's making it the perfect decor for your garden or yard. It includes 50 UL listed warm white halogen lights to brighten your evening. You'll love coming home each night to a beautiful sight in your yard or outdoor scenery. This Alpine Corporation's rattan reindeer measures 29 inches by 7 inches by 24 inches and perfect for your holiday display. It features 50 halogen lights to brighten your evening. At number 4 we have Vanthala Decoration. This cute snowman and Santa Claus are more striking when lit. It is a delightful decoration throughout the winter and Christmas. This 30 inches tall comes with 50 LT warm white light bulbs each set. It is retractable, easy to assemble and disassemble, store and or reuse. Even if you use it for a long time the light bulbs remain cool to touch. Each and every bulb is energy saving and long lasting. This waterproof plug enables use in both indoors and outdoors. You can share the joyful atmosphere of Christmas with your neighbor. At number 3 we have Glitz Home Decoration. This Nutcracker porch sign features a natural background with hand painted a nutcracker and Merry Christmas. The combination of colors gives us a visual impact, which make your home more eye-catching. This 60 inches high charming vertical porch decor made of MDF wood, durable and lightweight. It's carefully crafted just for you. It comes with a jute rope, easy for hanging or leaning on someplace. They stand guard day and night to guard the whole family to keep us away from evil spirits and dangers. It is a great gift for your family and friends for Christmas. At number 2 we have Ghastly Decoration. This Christmas porch banner was made of anti-crease 600D polyester Oxford fabric printed with clear images and bright colors, withstand waterproof and not easy to fade. It is easy to storage and reusable, long-lasting use. These Christmas store signs come with sturdy plastic rods and lanyards for hanging it up, 2 holes at the bottom, which you can fix and keep the banner straight. The Merry Christmas banner can hang them on the front porch, entryway, door, window, wall, etc. It is perfect for Christmas decorations indoor, outdoors, easy to attract others' attention, and leave many compliments and blessings. It is suitable as a Christmas welcome sign for your guests. That's enhancing the festival atmosphere to your home. At number 1 we have Lenox Christmas Decoration. You can add some fun to your Christmas tree with this snowman ornament. It is crafted of porcelain and as cute as could be. The snowman is completed with 24-karat gold buttons. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas decorations for your need.